Okay, so today we're going to be working on our letter home. There are two versions of this. So if you look in your work packet and your version looks like this, you're on the right video. If it does not look like this, then go check out the next video. All right, so the first thing we have to do is cut out the icons at the bottom of your page. These icons, I will read to you, are feel, less stress smoothie, change, everyone, stress awareness month, school, and stress. So this less stress smoothie is the cooking activity for this article, but since we are not at school, we aren't having our cooking class, we can just ignore the recipe. All right, so let's go to the top of our letter home. And so usually most people in our when we've done this in class have decided to write to their mom, so we're going to keep it as that, but you are free to write to whoever you like. We're going to say dear, and I'm going to put mom, but you can also write, dad, sister, brother, son. Any of these are appropriate. So let's start at the beginning. It says, this week, the title of the newspaper was what? What was the title of our newspaper? And if you do not remember the article, go ahead. You can look at the video that I made of the article, or you can just look back at your article and see that the article, it was titled, and always pause if you need to look for your answer before I tell you the answer, which is Stress Awareness Month. So this week, the title of the newspaper was Stress Awareness Month. I learned about a place called, where? What was the place? You can also look at your webbing page for some of these answers. What place did we learn about? We learned about a place called school. I had fun making a new recipe called, and so we didn't make this, but which one here, these are recipes? Which one is the food item? And that is the smoothie right here. I learned 4 new words. So you can look at your vocabulary page to find the four new words that we learned. We learned the word stress, feel, change, everyone. And you can put these words in any order that you feel like. It doesn't have to be in this order. Last sentence says, my favorite part of the paper was the story, the recipe, or the joke. So unfortunately, it's a little different at home, so we did not do the recipe. We weren't able to work on the joke, but we did read the story, so that can be your favorite part. And then we will say from, and then we'll put your name. Okay, so just write your own name to sign the letter off. And let's review our letter together. Our letter says, Dear Mom, or Dad, Sister, Brother, Miss Chen, Mr. Willota, Miss Julia, Mr. Luan, Mr. Strepo, any of those work. This week, the title of the newspaper was Stress Awareness Month. I learned about a place called school. I had fun making a new recipe called Less Stress Smoothie. I learned 4 new words: stress, feel, change, everyone. My favorite part of the paper was the story from your name. So practice reading this letter aloud to your family.